So, Mehta, what you said can be one reason. The other reason is money circulation by the party themselves,
Money circulation.
by the parties themselves.
The party, my lord,
Because you don't have to give the details of any donor who is paid less than 20,000 rupees. So, any money which is available within the party, it can be circulated. The unaccounted for money is circulated back into the system. Most of the payments were reported. About 20,000 payments are to be reported, otherwise, it will be violation of the law.
total income of political parties from unknown sources, income specified in the IP rules whose sources are unknown, rupees 7 crore, 7,832.98 crores, which is 69% of the total income of the parties. Now, please see, my lord, national parties, my lord, the chart your lordship says, the second column of the chart, my lords have the chart. National parties, rupees 6,612 crores, income from unknown sources. My lord, what is this unknown sources? I'll just tell you, lordships. My lord, before your lordship goes through, my lord, further, my lord, one clarification would be very, very relevant. My lord, may I complete that first, or my lord, just yes. Clarification? My lord, every political party needs clean money also, because they have to show expenditure for the purpose of rallies, this, that, and others. How do they do that? And some other shocking details will come. But I deposit 100 crores as a political party, saying that so many thousand people donated 19,000 rupees to me each. If it is less than 20,000, I'm not supposed to disclose his identity. So the cash which I received, I'm showing as unknown sources income, the donation in the form of individuals who have supposedly given me 19,000. That is, and no record is required under the law, because 19,000, there is no record required. This is the amount, my lord, which is 69%. National parties is 6,612 crores, and regional parties 1 crore 220.56 crores. Then income from non-known sources. Please see, my lord, substantially less.
Mehta, just one question here. This 11,367 crores is as per the income tax returns?
Yes.
So they'll be over and above that.
Over and above. Therefore, my lord, I say that whenever your lordship reads these figures, please bear that caveat.
This figure which is taken out by the ADR is not what they perceive as the actual income.
Cannot.
What is
in the contribution reports.
In the contribution reports, in the income tax report.
It is what is disclosed by the political parties to the election commission. Therefore, I started with a caveat that your lordships may bear in mind. These are declared figures.
There is one issue. The figures, therefore, you are showing us over with regard to 69% are those 20,000, less than 20,000, which has now been reduced to 2,000.
Maybe to some extent they may have given names also.
But they wouldn't have given. They wouldn't have given those names. That 20,000 figure after 2017, I think, has come down to 2,000. That's been reduced to 2,000. So this is a position.
Position of all political parties. Now, your lordships may kindly, my lord, for the time being, ignore the diagram and come to, my lord, the written part. Political parties with maximum income from unknown sources. During the 11 years between 2004-5 and 14-15, 83% of total income of so-and-so, amounting to rupees 332.39 CR, and 65% of total income of so-and-so, amounting to rupees 2,125 crore, came from unknown sources. We were grappling with this situation when this scheme was conceived. Among the regional parties, rupees 766.27 crore, or 94% of the total income of so-and-so party, and 88.06 crore, or 86% of the total income of so-and-so party came from unknown sources. Now, your lordships may kindly come to page 105, Observations of ADR. Observations of ADR. Of the 51 regional political parties considered for this report, I'm sorry, my lords are writing.
One more question. As the returns filed by the political parties in 29C, are all uploaded on the website of the
They
election.
have taken from them only.
Of the Election Commission of India.
But as per ADR's own stated case, they have analyzed this
Only
based
the-
upon those reports.
Because the Income Tax Department will not reveal the details.
That they can't use. They can't use. This is the Election Commission's website. That's their case also. Of 51 regional political parties considered for this report, 45 parties have not submitted their donation statements to ECI for at least one financial year. The 12 regional political parties which have never filed their contribution report since 2004 and 5 are, I'm not reading the names, I don't wish to make it political, I'm just pointing out this is the problem we were grappling with, which, my lord, eventually led us to examine, evaluate and find out a solution. Then income tax returns or audit reports of national and regional parties were obtained by filing RTI applications with the Income Tax Department. The income tax returns of 42 out of 51 regional parties analyzed were unavailable for at least one financial year. The information was either denied by the IT department, the parties had not filed their returns for the financial year, or the department were unable to trace the audit reports. Incomplete information was provided. Where possible, copies of audit reports were procured from the ECI. The income of national parties from unknown sources, please mark, my lord, increased by 313% from rupees 274.13 crore during financial year 4-5 to 1130 crores during financial year 14-15. The income of regional parties from unknown sources increased by 652% from rupees 37 crores during financial year 2004-5 to rupees 281 crore during financial year 2014 and 15. Among all the national and regional parties, please mark this, this is something very, very funny and something very, very alarming and shocking. Amongst all the national and regional parties considered, so-and-so is the only party to consistently declare receiving nil donation above rupees 20,000. They have not received any donation. Everything is below 20,000. Between financial year 2004-5 and 14-15, thus 100% of parties' donations came from unknown sources. The total income of the party increased by 2,057% from rupees 5.19 crore during financial year 4-5 to rupees 111.96 crore during 14-15. And this is as declared within 19,000. My lord, the argument that the scheme has benefited the ruling party. My lord, my respectful assistance to your lordship is this. More contribution going to the ruling party is the norm. That's the, Lord, kindly see the third bullet point, detailed report your lordship would
Why
find.
is it, according to you, why is it the norm that the ruling party is making the substantial part of the donations? What's the reason for it?
I would not be able to hazard a guess, but the figures show that whoever was ruling party, either in the state or in the center, possibly, this is my assistance.
Gives with an expectation, right?
Yes. Lord, I'll just tell your lordships, my lord, how the things work. And this is my reply, not government's reply. But
Yes.
This is my assistance to your lordships. Generally, Lord, every political party has their programs and policies, etc. They have their working style, which are distinct, and all people, my lord, they have confined their arguments to corporations or companies, but they are individuals, contractors, HUF, because HUF is also now a financing entity, etc. They know the working style. They know their business style. That if this party forms the government, it would be beneficial that we'll be able to be comfortable with them because there is less of red tapeism. Somewhere it is more of a red tapeism, etc., etc. Lord, what is running in the mind of the donor, Lord, is not possible. But Lord, by and large, they decide based upon their interest. Obviously, Lord, they are not doing a charity. Let us, my lord, be not very idealistic the way they would like your lordships to be, my lord, while dealing with a very complex problem. Practically, They are also doing their own business and their decisions are business driven, or as we use the expression, it's a market driven. That more powerful the leader, more cadre based the party, more chances of success. I feel that I'll be comfortable while doing my business, less corruption, more corruption. These are the factors based upon which they donate. But your lordships may practically keep one thing in mind. All big donations or big donors, whether individuals or others, trust or companies, etc., they donate to all parties who are relevant to them. The figures differ. And ultimately, I'll be able to show, after showing the history of this, that why black money was used to pay political contribution. Well, this is the bottom line of this scheme, which the government has sought to address.
So, Mehta, what you said can be one reason. The other reason is money circulation by the party themselves.
Money circulation
by the parties themselves.
the party,
Because you don't have to give the details of any donor who is paid less than 20,000 rupees. So any money which is available within the party can be circulated. The unaccounted for money is circulated back into the system.
in this scheme, it is not possible, but
No.
maybe. But I don't think the party tends to gain by circulating. But
Only thing is because you have to show on table a particular level of expenses whenever you incur expenses, say in a rally or any other expense, certain expenses have to be shown. The second point which you are raising is relevant, obviously, these figures are relevant. The second point is these unaccounted or unaccounted for were in the transactions below the figure of 20,000, not in the higher. Already the
not reported, Malod. I would put it. I can go and give 5 crores, but party may choose not to report.
That is possible. That is possible. But as far as the higher sums above 20,000 were concerned, they were all reported. They were already with details. Their reporting is with details because we saw some charts given to us. Most of the payments were reported. About 20,000 payments are to be reported. Otherwise, it will be violation of the law.